Operate with an owner's mindset. Good morning, team. Here's this week's reminder. The fastest way to change your career is to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an owner. An owner asks different questions. What needs to happen for this work to succeed? Where's the risk? What is slipping? What will the client notice? What can I do right now to improve the outcome? That mindset changes everything. When you operate with an owner's mindset, you stop doing the minimum. You stop waiting to be told every next move. You stop acting like the work belongs to someone else. Instead, you step forward, you think ahead, you care more deeply, you take responsibility for quality, timing, communication, and results. It does not mean stepping on people, and it doesn't mean creating chaos. It means bringing deeper sense of pride, urgency, and personal responsibility to the work in front of you. Clients notice that mindset, leaders notice that mindset, and teams trust people who bring that mindset. Why? Because owners care about the whole business, not just their piece of the task list. The consultants who grow the fastest usually have this trait. They act like the health of the project matters to them personally. They treat client trust like it's precious. They care about the quality of the final product before someone has to ask them to. This is not just maturity, this is leadership. So this week, don't just ask, what was I assigned? Ask also, what does this project need from me right now? That single question changes everything, and it changes how you show up. This week, raise your standard. Think like an owner, act like an owner, and deliver like an owner. Here's your call to action. Before you start work each morning this week, ask yourself one question. What does this project, this client, this team need from me today to move forward successfully? Then act on that answer. Let's have a strong week.